Welcome to our garden. Yep. Okay.
So what we got in here?
This is a bed of carrots.
Come on, man.
This way. Kato. This is a bed of carrots right here.
Mm-hmm.
These are some turnips. We actually planted these the last few weeks, but as you see, these little worms are just having the time of their lives. So I had to rip a lot of these out, and I have more trays in here to plant them. But yeah,
They've been eating up our beets.
they are tearing them up. I don't know. I've heard of cutworms for beets, but you see like most of those are gone.
Mm-hmm.
Only ones we planted in the bigger soil blocks are doing pretty good. So I'm thinking
That little section down there at the back.
Yeah, they might have to get a little bigger before we put them out.
Okay.
Or just use roach covers over everything, because this is what happens. Even though they're in a hoop house, they
Still get ate.
still get ate up.
Mm-hmm.
Dang on caterpillars. It's fine. We got more seeds.
Okay.
These are the beds we just planted.
Mm-hmm.
I watered these today. A bed of those Dutch cabbages.
Which one? The first one?
Yeah, the first one.
Okay.
They get like, what, 10 pounds almost?
Mm-hmm.
So I would assume they need less space. And these are, I believe, scarlet kale, and this might be dazzling blue kale. These are 1,000 head kale, and these get about 3 feet tall, so we try to space them out.
Okay.
And then we have our collards on the last row of it.
This is awesome. Our beans are growing up. Our onions are coming up.
So that Malabar spinach started growing.
Mm-hmm.
I tasted a piece of it. That does taste exactly like a very fresh piece of spinach. Like a really, I don't know how to explain it. You want to taste it?
No.
Okay. You never want to taste anything fresh. It's okay. He's gonna get used to this life. But let's walk around to the other side of this actually, because I got some. It's just a few beans, y'all. Just a few beans. Not this one, but this one. And these are Blue Lake stringless beans.
Okay.
We don't like our string beans too big.
Nice.
So it's a decent size for us. These can get a little bit bigger. I might get this one. But yeah. I thought these were actually like climbing beans, but they're not climbing much.
They're not all the same thing?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out. I know I have a king of lima bean, which I think are these two.
Mm-hmm.
But now that I'm looking at it, these leaves look different than those leaves. So I have no idea what happened. Don't know. These have blooms on it. These are slippery soups beans. Don't really know what those are. But over here we have some snow peas. Snow peas, y'all.
Sound like Wizard Kelly.
Got some snow peas, y'all. Yeah, so it's not a lot, but it's a start.
There's another one at the top, or is that one too small?
This one's fine. It's a little bigger, but I tasted one of these. They're actually really good. That's it on that one. And then I don't know where I got this from, but it's like a yellow snow pea, and they're actually pretty good. Just got a little big, but yeah. Some more snow peas. These have a little string on them. I think that was it.
We got some of these beans over here.
Down here too.
Oh, yeah. I pull beans.
I know, that's what I was saying. They actually have a lot of those.
They're dangling.
I know, right? So let me get these because there's a few of them on here. Oh, something ate it. Hold on. Okay. So these actually are a little bigger. Whoa, it's a lot of them.
Yeah.
I actually don't know which variety this is, but it's growing really well. And I wish I would have tagged this one because I thought it was Slippery Silks, but that one's over there. So whichever one this is, it's pretty cool.
And there's some more over here.
Yeah, it's actually a lot on here.
Look at all our beans. Yay.
And of course, the more you pick them, the more they grow. So this is really our first time kind of harvesting them, besides me occasionally eating some every now and then. Look, they kind of have like this purplish hue to them. Oh, maybe these are the purple ones
Maybe.
that I don't know the variety of. But they have like a, they're like purplish tinge. I don't know what they quite are. Kind of cool.
This is awesome.
This is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Entering our land of trees, we have our Asian pear tree. And our... Whoa! Whoa, that's a big spider. It's another pear tree. It's a real big spider. Yeah.
Expanding our grow space a lot more.
Yeah, these are our...
Till these over here.
So we're going to add another long one because we got our 50 transplants of strawberries. So that one will go down here because strawberries get wild.
Yeah.
We have
Turn this into a
some-
strawberry bed.
Yeah, some rutabagas right here.
Mm-hmm.
My grandmother's favorite. That's Bronze Beauty lettuce. Never tried it. And some arugula.
There's some sunflower in there. That's sunflower.
Yeah, it's like short sunflowers.
Cool.
This was like a butterfly blend and a hummingbird mixed blend or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But we had a bloom on one actually. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it pretty?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what this is. I need to use the app to see. These are some,
Tomatoes.
yeah, and I don't know if they're doing anything. I see blooms, but I think it's getting too cold. And these actually started growing fruit, but something ate it up. So I don't know if they're actually gonna mature and we'll be able to use them. These beds will be for something else. These are Chinese cabbage. In this bed, we got some purple cauliflower
Mm-hmm.
and some purple, help me out, Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
These are different lettuces. Both beds are lettuce beds. Still growing. We just transplanted them last week.
So where are the strawberries at?
They're in here. This is our 50 transplants.
That's all of them?
Yeah,
That's 50?
that's 50. It's a 50 cell tree.
I don't know why I was expecting it to be so much more grand.
I know. I was like, dang. When I saw it, I was like, that ain't as much as I was thinking. But they need a lot of space.
True.
Look at this. What is this? Teak Noir cabbage. Dang on label. Whatever. But these look kind of good. They're getting big. They weren't that big. When I first planted them, they were about like this size.
Mm-hmm.
So some of them are growing a little bit better than others, but basically it's purple cabbage.
Okay, girl.
This bed is doing something funky, so we're gonna have to replant that back.
Oh, man.
We got more to replant right here.
Let my hair go.
These are some
Dang,
Chinese
funny.
broccoli. Leave your daddy alone. Chinese broccoli, more Chinese broccoli.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have some radishes. That some of them look kind of funky like. I don't really know what happened to them. So we're just gonna remove these.
Can you use the greens on the radishes?
I believe you can.
Okay.
So I'm not opposed to using some of these because I know that either the root wasn't deep enough on some because they didn't really get a good root structure.
Mm-hmm.
I think they were too high up the ground to like develop the root all the way.
Okay.
But some of them, like our French breakfast radish, look kind of cool.
These aren't the typical radish varieties, I'm assuming.
No. And like I said, it's just the way that they were planted because they didn't hit their roots like they were supposed to on some of them.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them did. Like this one, I probably shouldn't have pulled that, but it was kind of sticking out the ground. So I'm not sure what happened with these, but you know, he did it like these.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. All right. So this netting helped somewhat because apparently caterpillars love turnips. So cover your turnips, people, with insect netting. And even then, hope for the best. So these are like a Japanese variety of turnips.
Mm-hmm. That look good right there.
Yeah.
They might have got the leaves, but they didn't get the root.
Right. It smells really good too. And the leaves actually aren't like terrible. Like some of them are a bit ate up, but you could probably still use some of these. Not horrible. So that's not bad. They're like salad turnips, so you can eat them raw. I've heard of people pickling them.
Mm-hmm.
But we use the roots in our turnip soup we like. So we just take those off. Oh, look at those caterpillars. Caterpillars. They just tear up leaves. But yeah, we'll probably use the roots in our soup. These are pretty. More caterpillars. They're really pretty though. I like how these come out. This is a good one. Got some good leaves on it, but some of them are a bit ate up. Might as well take all of these off. At least we got some good 8 yards. 8 cubic yards of plant mix. That's a good. That's a lot of good.